Want to get your business listed on Explore Christian County? Here's how. Start by heading to exploreccmo.com and click Register in the top right corner. Fill out your information to create your account. Once it's completed, you'll be automatically logged in. You may see a quick Cloudflare check. Just hang tight while it confirms you're not a bot. From there, go to Manage My Listings and click Add Listing. Choose the category that fits best, then enter your business details and upload photos. This option is also available in the top right and in the footer. You can keep it free or upgrade for additional features. Choose a category and upload photos. If your business doesn't have a storefront address, you can skip that for now. There's another option below that will work for you. When you're done, submit your listing for review. The process is very similar whether you're adding an Airbnb, a restaurant, or even a local event. If your business hosts local events frequently, you can link them here or directly when adding an event. This example is just a demo, but the process you're seeing is exactly how it works for real businesses. You'll always be able to go back in and manage your listings after submission. That's it. Your business is on its way to being featured on Explore Christian County. Thanks for helping showcase what makes Christian County such a great place to explore.